Okay guys, welcome to the fourth tutorial, and here so far it has been good. We have been able to register our user, and obviously this button is not working because we have to work on it, but we are on the all goals fragment. And here what do we need to do? We need to make the app functioning and add our first goal. So we'll get right into it without a further ado. So first we go here and obviously we see a floating action button, so we'll take that as first. Floating action button, name it fab. And we have all other things to also map, and we will take one recycler view because there is a recycler view that will be displayed, and we will take adapter that we have not worked on. So goal adapter, m adapter, and we will also take nav controller, and we will take Firestore, and we'll take progress dialog PD, and we'll take view model. Okay, perfect. So these are one of maybe all of the views that we needed. And now first of all we'll just create this method on view created, and this, I really hate this non-null annotations, so it's just annoying. So yeah, let's just go and initialize our Firestore instance. Okay, and nav controller navigation, find view, find controller, find view, and view model, maybe we can try to view model provider. Get activity, get class view model. Okay, what is the problem here? Let's just keep it like this and do this later. And recycler view is going to be recycler view. If you don't know where this is coming from, go to this all fragment. Yeah, and we need floating action button because we want to add. Yeah, so looks like all of this is mapped already. Yeah, the PD. Okay, progress dialog, get context. So once we click on floating action button, we would be able to add goal. I'll just create, I can do this inside this, but we'll just make it a little bit cleaner. And so okay, we will use alert dialog dot builder, and we can name this builder new alert dot dialog dot builder, get context. And here we can give this a title, set title, add a new goal, And if I test this now, meanwhile this is loading, we can add a little bit more work to it. View, view, view inflate, layout inflator from get context inflate r.layout, and I'll tell you what is this, that why am I writing this. View group, get view. So like once we rerun the app, and now I might be able to show you, but actually not. I have to set this to builder set view, view inflated. Okay, let's rerun the app for the third time. And now once we click on this floating action button, we should be able to see okay, this is not being launched, and like let's try it one more time. Yeah, builder to show, I guess that also was needed. Guys, if you understand these videos, please subscribe, because I see a lot of people see my videos but they don't subscribe. So yeah, you see this. Now we have to add a positive button like okay, add a goal and cancel a goal. But where did this, what is this? Like I'll just explain this in whole entirety. So this is like alert dialog alert, and we have used this. So these are to edit text fields, and this is a separate layout where I have created these two fields. Okay, this is rep content, so it does not take the whole page. And how do we bring this layout into this? So we have used the similar approach that we use while we work with the adopter. You have seen me use this method, layout inflator and all that. So we have just inflated our input layout onto this alert dialog. So that is why we are able to see this. Okay, and builder.show is just making sure that it displays. So now what do we need? We need set positive button, and the text is going to be add goal. And let's just dialog interface dot on click listener, and we would need another builder dot negative button to be able to cancel dialog dot interface. Okay, so now if I click this on start, we will be able to see two buttons also here that don't do anything, but so I'll click on this, and you see add goal and cancel. Add also does nothing, but obviously we have to implement the functionality. And one more thing we can do is that, okay, so once our adding goal is done, we can say pd.setMessage adding goal pd.show, and once the goal is done, then we can just dismiss it. Okay, but now this is that what we have, but how do we, not only do we like create all this, we have to like store these values. So first of all we have to catch these values, and these are to edit texts. So we will do this edit text et goal name edit text view inflated, because this is the view that we have, find view by id. Okay, so I forgot the goal, whatever that we had for the goal name. And let's create another edit text, et goal amount, goal amount. So now we will be able to catch those values. And let's just string goal name et goal name get text to string goal amount et goal amount get text to string, and we can declare them as final two. So this becomes accessible because this is still outside. Okay, so now what happens is, like, we have this values here. So now we'll just do a hash map string object, and we can say hash map new hash map, and we'll just go with hash map put. So we will use the same spelling that we had used here, goal name goal total amount. Okay, so we'll just go in here, goal name is goal name, hash map, make sure that you have the same spelling of the keys here as your model, because otherwise Firebase will not be able to fetch it. Hash map put current amount, that will be 0 because we start with 0. Okay, goal current amount, spellings were wrong. Okay, so that's it. And what we do here is Firestore collection goal user ID, that I'll just show you in a bit, set hash map add on complete listener, and if task is successful, then PD is dismissed, and also we can display a toast. On these new emulators, I'm not sure why don't we see the toast, but on your device you will see it. Goal added, and once this is done, what do we want is that we want yeah, we'll just keep it like that and see what happens. And user ID, yeah, so in order to get the user ID, we would need a Firebase authentication, and yep, and let's just come in here and string user ID get current user get UID, because we want to create a collection so that only the user who has entered the goal should not be able to see the goals of other people. Okay, so confidentiality first. So let's just try to maybe run the app and see what happens. So we'll just goal name cycle goal amount 12,000, and we say add goal, adding goal, and yeah, goal added. Okay, the toast message is being displayed, And once we refresh our collection here, our Firestore database, we will see this is the user ID, and these are the stuff that we have done. Okay, now, and the progress dialer was dismissed. So in this one we can just say dialog cancel. Okay, so this is done and we have successfully added our goal, and maybe we can add few more. Computer, maybe we can just do MacBook 50,000. We can add some more. uh, how should I add? Travel 15, and we can add last one, car 10,000. Okay, so now we have added couple of goals, and now we have something to display to, and let's see how long is this. Okay, so that's it we will do, and in the next one we will just display the goals. Okay,